Hey, I tell these niggas, it's a hard one to grind. Bossy boy gone, I'ma grind to shine. Rain, I don't give a fuck, I'ma get paid, but sometimes it make me hate weather. But I'ma keep spitting this shit for these fake niggas, it's making them hate better. I told y'all niggas, y'all make me allergic to y'all. Y'all bother my skin like fake leather. And I be hot on the block, but I ain't deserts. Burners in the stash box, my nigga, but it ain't dressers. I don't keep them in the drawer. I don't keep them on the floor. Unless I'm motherfucking covered up and sleeping on the floor. When I'm in my crib, nice by the window and a chop and a street sweeper by the door. So I wish a nigga come through creeping through the door. You would think a nigga let a fucking demon through the door. When nanas come on the scene, approach any nigga, boy. And I hope you dry and warmed up, I soak any nigga, boy. Stay with a street soaker, nanas keep street toasters. Niggas want beef in that range, you gon' lean over. Your man's in the back seat, he can't even see over. Cause everything in front of him is all red and burgundy. Hop in the driver's seat, take him to emergency. Tell him that it was nanas, ask the nurse have she heard of me. She'll probably tell you, I caused a lot of niggas surgery. Stabbed a couple niggas up, bang niggas up, hang niggas up. Ain't racist, but I'm talking about we slave niggas up. That mean lynch a nigga, that mean hit a nigga. Fist mean fight, but them choppers mean kill a nigga. But what you gonna do? Keep fighting and fighting. Keep talking and talking, scrapping and scrapping. Soon it's gonna be clapping and clapping and they could coughing for coughing. So I don't try to get in beats often. But if you play with me, I ain't about to wrestle, I'ma snap on that ass like Steve Austin. 2 lines. I see straight through guys. Niggas always telling lies, why you can't tell the truth, guy? Keep it real, nigga, why lie? You niggas wanna stop nanas, I'm in the hood, nigga, why try? Cause you know I'ma send you to God, a nigga, Allah, whoever that you worshiping. I'm that real nigga, I'm that nigga you should be worshiping. Quick to let the burner spit. Hollow straight burning. Fucking split him and chop his body up like the milkshakes and McDonald's. That's a McDonald's McFlurry. Let me get the fucking words again up. Niggas gotta get my herb again up. I'm in this burgundy truck swerving, nigga fucked up. Off this Henny in his cup, off this Remy in his Dutch. Got the prettiest little slut. Hope she talking about getting loose. Cause smash it, ride it like a donkey, girl, that's what I'm finna do. Hope your ass in the mood. Cause if not, then I'ma play the whore. But just to get her in the move, pop a bottle, smoke a blunt, and play some porns. Girl, what you wanna do? Is your ass feeling it? Cause if your ass not, you can walk. Get the kick in it. Kick rocks, ho. Better yet, you the same one play me in a day. I just wanna hit anyway, so kick rocks, ho. She on my dick, nah, don't be on my dick, nah, ho. Cause some road 12, you don't see me in that CL or that SL with them chips, nah, ho. Flipping zips, nah, ho. Big cheese, I can make it rain on you hoes. I got big nachos and something that'll hurt legs. And if I got something that don't kill you, best believe it'll hurt heads. I hurt feds. Cause them niggas always trying to lock me up, always trying to burn me. But sometime, and some reason I do time and come home early. When I supposed to have life, God let me out early. It's 6 o'clock now, I'm still rapping nigga early. And when it's still early, before the sun even try to burn, I be out early, early bird always get the worms. Nigga, this is young Earn. Niggas know I got the hot lava sick flow. Get your ass knocked out, like my nigga Mayweather did Big Show. You gon' see them razors get up, come out if the fist throw. So while niggas fighting, I'm gonna be slicing, niggas scrapping, he leaking, clapping and squeezing, family all crying, wiping tears off their face with napkins, they grieving. This cat is too sick. I don't talk to a bitch, don't text me shit. Just come over and come right. You know what that mean, that's no panties, not sober. Be blowed than me, actually off E. while I'm off the tree. But mommy, if you feeling it and want me, get on your level. Let me pop an E in another bottle, get on your level. Girl, what you got on your schedule? What's on your clock and your time on your watch? What's on your bezel? We can do what you do. I can do what y'all do. Never met a nigga that's bananas that'll treat you how I do. Niggas keep it real with girls. They treat us like some nigga shit. Then wonder why we be on that MOB bros or hoes and call them that bitch shit. Cause you be acting like a bitch. How you gonna try to judge a nigga about what you hear on the strip, bitch? I only want a nigga cause you tryna get some chips, bitch. I only wanna talk to him cause he got a whip, bitch. Mad cause he got money. Happy when he broke, but giving money to you would make you happy, bitch, cause you seeing dough. Mad cause he getting money. Happy when he see a loaf. Know that you getting bread cause you about to use him trying to get some dough. See his fucking jewelry and his gaze blue like you seen a ghost. Pop up with some ice that hoe probably never seen before. She'll be all on your jock, all on your cock. My goons be all on the block. Niggas run these much those days. I put a scope, a beam, sawed off, shoulder strap, nigga, all on the Glock. That's that motherfucking militant. Come up in that army and come up in that party and murk every nigga to the pretty ass Barbies and everybody smoke like Bob Marley and I'm that real nigga, dog. Came from the fucking streets. Dirty glove nigga that's gonna always rap it for my fucking team. That mean the fucking D. Do it for my city, nigga. If I'm spitting fire and I'm real, why you ain't fucking with me, nigga? It's either you jealous or you wanna take my place. No, I fuck a lot of hoes. They say they wanna say I'm gay. Niggas see me get a lot of pros. They wanna say I ain't getting no cake. Niggas know I'm known for keeping it real. They wanna say I'm fake. No hoes give it to me easy. But when I play them hoes cause they played me, when I fuck them and leave them, they wanna say I rape. When I sell my trees on the block, I got popcorn, but niggas wanna say mine shake. I can keep going. It's a list long about the shit niggas say in these streets and these diss songs about bananas that ain't real, and I'm letting you know in this song. Freestyled off the dome, no written in this poem. Tell a bitch my shit like this long. You gon' need a ruler, bitch. Maybe even a yardstick. And if you pretty, fat ass, you gon'